I should start with this. Let me start with this. I shared my June newsletter. So first of the month, I share a newsletter. Sometimes there's an oracle reading, sometimes there's an energy reading. Then there's a bunch of other information available for you. What's going on in my community, my world, my outreach, and my business. I shared for June, I pulled 2 cards from an oracle deck that I created, the Goddess deck, and I would like to read it to you here. So if you didn't get the newsletter, let me read it to you here. This is for the month of June. What does spirit, or you, both, same. Yes! Oh, what do you want yourself to know about the month of June? Forgive and laugh more. Those are the 2 cards that we got. Forgive and laugh more. Forgive yourself, forgive others. Let the spaces of judgment go and allow yourself to move into your higher flow. Forgiveness opens your flow. Forgiveness allows you to clear and shift your energy. Forgiveness is a way in which we run the vibration of peace. You want the vibration of peace? Run forgiveness. Peace creates experiences of peace. Forgiveness is a way in which we run the vibration of freedom. Freedom creates experiences of freedom. Laugh more. Joy is, I started laughing just saying the words. Joy is a powerful vibration. Joy is a current. Yes, it's a frequency, a flow of expansion, of an expansive energy. Joy releases constrictions. Joy is freedom in motion. Free yourself to experience your best life now. Forgive and laugh more. You are more than any one experience. You are more than even a lifetime of experiences. Allow yourself to be the more, because you can choose to be any experiential space, or you can be more. Allow yourself to be free in all aspects of your life. Forgiveness and laughter will help. You've got this. So now remember, that's what I sent out. And it's really cool. I mean, like, those cards just jumped right out, and I can see how it just makes sense to me, right? Those 2 spaces working so well together. So in the chat, there was a beautiful share by Veronica. We love you, Veronica. Mwah. And she said, "Good morning, everyone. I've just received the June email. Beautiful words, forgive and laugh more. Last night, as I was going to bed, I spotted a very large hedgehog running across the front lawn. What a joy. What childlike laughter. I ran outside in the dark to say hello, but he was hiding in the undergrowth. What an honor to have him visit us. Do you forgive someone when they make a remark that hurts? If you mention it, they reply that they were only joking. Being laughed at isn't joyful, a space I am navigating. Have a joyful day, beautiful souls." Now, Veronica did go on, and many of you commented in the chat beautifully with her. And Veronica did go on to say she was realizing she was seeing some spaces of victimhood where she was giving her power away to this moment, right? This experience, this emotion, this frequency. And she was choosing to redirect, which is fantastic. I would like to interject quickly here that I also say that everything we see around us is a message. So the hedgehog was a message. So she's probably already mentioned that, looking up hedgehog, seeing what that message is, right? But also, what is the hedgehog doing? So it ran across the yard, and then when she went outside, her wording is, he was hiding in the undergrowth. Okay. Ho, ho, ho. Veronica, hello. What a powerful message she sent herself. Hiding under the undergrowth, in the undergrowth, like even the word undergrowth, like maybe fighting with herself in some way to feel as if she isn't grown enough or she has to grow more. And that the laughing, someone laughing at her or making fun of her for finding a hedgehog cute and wanting to run outside and see it. I don't know the whole story, but even having someone act that way and being hurt by it was confirming to her in a sense, or a message to her in a sense, possibly, of feeling as if she needed to go hide. She didn't like the way that they were laughing at her. Does this make sense to you? The message that was in those words themselves. So how powerful Veronica is to even give herself so much information in one pocket of experience. Now, the understanding of forgiving someone who hurts you, of course, there's a really important point that has to be given the opportunity to be seen here, and that is forgiveness is not condoning. This is a very different understanding, because people think if they forgive, they're saying it's okay what you did. But that's not what forgiveness means. Forgiveness means I release myself from being in this alignment with you. That's what it means. And I release you from being in this alignment with me. I am not energetically in connection with this space that you are being. Now, whether or not you believe this, understand this, follow this, whatever, there's a teaching of Jesus on the cross. Okay? It doesn't matter where we come in at on this. Let us learn from the understanding of what is written here. Being crucified, beaten, battered, betrayed. And in the midst of it, yes, forgive them, Father, for they know not what they do. Now, that's pretty big. What can we gain from that? You don't have to be religious to gain this. This is, a scientist can gain this. That scientific you can gain this. By saying, forgive them for whatever they're doing, whenever they're doing it, knowing you are not saying it's okay they did it, but you are saying, I will not hold this alignment with them. I will not be party to this. I will not be a anchor of this energy. I will not be a space this energy gets to continue to feed and flow. It stops here. Yes, that's what forgiveness means. You're choosing the alignment of your frequency. And I know this can be a really big one. That's okay. That's a message in itself, to allow yourself to be the scientist with the feelings and the thoughts that are saying, I just don't know about that. I mean, I've had some really bad things done to me. I don't know if I can just let that go. Well, here's the choice. You're very right. You do not have to. And if you are not letting it go, remember what you're carrying. Remember what you're choosing to hold on to. Do you understand that? It's all energy. It's all energy. And even in that moment with the individual laughing, she designed the energetic connection as a possible point of reference for her to say to herself, who am I? Am I whipped around by the world outside of me and by others' opinions and ideas and words and actions? Or do I know who I am? Period. And interestingly enough, it's incredibly easy to be joyful when you're watching a lovely hedgehog run across the yard in a joyful manner. But the gauge, the reference, the measure of the faith of that joy, the depth of that joy, the truth of that joy, is when the situation isn't joyful, yet you are. That is the joy, that is the spirit inhabiting the flesh.